Welcome to my Sindhi kitchen where childhood memories and soul food like Sindhi curry, aloo tok, sai bhaji, right up to hidden gems and recipes from different families from all over the world come here in this kitchen. Welcome and let's start cooking! So generally, Mondays and Tuesdays have always been vegetarian for our family. There are some Sindhis on Thursday Sai Baba ka hota hai, then some don't eat on Saturday. But generally Monday, Tuesday is a vegetarian day for most Sindhis. On vegetarian day, we got to make sure that we eat really well so that you don't miss the non-veg. I never really miss non-veg. I love my vegetarian food. So Choti Dadi we used to call her Nandi Mummy. Nandi means small because she was very short and cute. So Nandi Mummy used to do Makhani Dal, not Dal Makhani. Makhani means almost like butter, very silky. So what I'm doing today, I'm doing Makhani Dal and Puri, which is an amazing combination. Great for breakfast, great for lunch. Dinner, I'm not really sure about that, but definitely something when there was always something like a sacred ceremony, something good happening. We used to do a nice Sooji ka halwa with that. So dal, puri, halwa. Welcome to my Sindhi kitchen. So here I've got a little bit of 200 grams of atta, into which I'm adding a little bit of Sooji, about 20 to 30 grams, into which I'm adding a little bit of salt. I'm adding 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil and then a little water to mix if we need it to make a nice stiff but a pliable dough. So, perfecto. So we're going to mix all this, get it together, and then we're going to supplement it with a little bit of water, okay? So I've got my flour and oil mixture together. So going to be adding a little bit of water and getting this dough together. So when it came to breakfast, okay, I'm not a guy who's going to eat like puri and dal and all for breakfast because I have a very busy day all the time. But lunch or dinner was a great option. And also generally is that this doesn't take really time to cook. Okay, I've got my dal which I've already cooked in the pressure cooker. ये डो बनाने के बाद हम सूजी का हलवा बना देंगे, उसके बाद हम दाल को फिनिश कर देंगे और पूरी को फ्राई कर देंगे. So literally for a seasoned cook or a housewife or whoever cooks at home, to make a nice dal and puri was very quick. Because the dal used is moong dal, which is does not require too many hours to soak. And also at the same time, it cooks fast and is very light on the stomach. Okay, so हमारा ये firm yet pliable dough of our puri is ready. About 15 minutes of resting and let's finish our dal now. दाल जो है हमारी कुकर में रेडी है, 2-3 सीटी लगाई है. इट्स बिकम नाइस एंड सॉफ्ट एंड ऑलमोस्ट लाइक अ प्यूरे. अभी इसे बिल्कुल फिनिश करने वाले हैं. लवली. तो सूजी का हलवा, वन ऑफ द मोस्ट सोल सर्चिंग, रिलैक्स्ड, ब्यूटिफुल, easy to do, not very expensive. Sooji is semolina rava, which has very different uses in India. You have small grades, large grades. So right from making sweets to making dalias and porridges to coating fish and cutlets, this is one of the most indispensable ingredients in the Indian kitchen. Okay, and we call it Sooji Halwa. Okay, so I've got a little bit of ghee here, to which I'm adding some Sooji, which we are going to kind of toast very lightly here. Okay, so you got to make sure that the Sooji is well coated with the ghee and it gets a nice nutty toasty flavor. Okay, you got to be a little careful in this stage. Okay, I also have some saffron which has been dissolved in the milk. I have some nuts to go later. थोड़ा सा घी है इसमें हम डाल देते हैं. So अभी हमने ये सूजी को हमने टोस्ट कर दिया है. It's got a very nice thing. So remember, it starts getting a little toasted. Next, we're going to be adding our saffron ka pani in this. And then followed by some water. Amazing. So literally you're using almost 1.5 times to 2 times the amount of liquid to your ratio of your Sooji, and then at this stage you have to just slowly move it down, yeah, and until it starts thickening. And remember that when you start off your halwa, it's always like this, but as the Sooji cooks, it starts really getting thick, as you can see it already. Look at that. At this stage I will also add a nice big pinch of elaichi powder, a little bit of pinch of salt, and I'm going to be adding a little bit of sugar as well to this. Okay, so we're going to keep on continuing this, cooking this very well, very nicely, and then we garnish it with some lovely dried fruits which I already have. I have some almonds, I have some kaju, थोड़े से पिस्ता भी है. You can get as fancy or as simple as this. It's very simple. I'm going to be adding a dash of milk in this, about a 1/4 cup, mixing it in, emulsifying it into a halwa, and you can see ये side से छोड़ रहा है, which means that we are almost there. Nice, amazing, perfecto, lovely. ये जो दाल है, it's such a lovely dal. I mean, it's simple. Now, 3 CTs. So we soak the moong ki jo dal hai, we soak it for about an hour or so. Okay, you don't need much soaking. And after you cook it with 3 CTs, with a little bit of haldi and salt, this is this amazing, beautiful. That's why it's called makhaney. Makhaney means like makhan, which means जो तड़का अभी लगेगा इसका will be made with makhan. You know what I mean? You can also make it with ghee. You can also make it with butter. But definitely, I have some lovely butter with me. We're going to be making a nice, lovely तड़का. इसको भी हम पहले हल्का सा, I'm going to reheat it थोड़ा सा. माखनी दाल के लिए one version is salt and turmeric. Good idea. थोड़ा सा salt डालते हैं. Okay, right? Now this is for people who are very young infants, you know, who can't eat masala, but they have the nutrition of the dal. Okay, salt, turmeric, dal, water, that's it. And then a lot of people don't eat spicy food. Some people want to go very easy on their palates. Kids don't like too much spices. So there are kind of 2 versions. The first one is I'm just going to be putting some butter in the dal. Okay, so this is Sindhi Makhani Dal. Okay, where maybe you would go with a little bit of amchur on the top just to give that little tang, or you would go for a little halka sa jeera ka tadka, depending upon family, kahan hai log. Sindhis are all over the world, guys, so every Sindhi is different, his own style of Sindhi food in the world. Okay, because I got cousins in Hong Kong, I've got cousins in the Caribbean, they all have different eating habits. They all love Sindhi food, but they have their own kind of hyper local influence in that. Yeah, so we've got this makhani dal here. Now let's do it the way we do it. So I've got ghee over here. Okay, so we have our makhani dal here. The butter is really emulsified inside. Look, beautifully mixed in. और यहाँ पे we have our makhani dal jo tadko. Here we have some jeera which we are putting in here, and then we have our red chili powder. We have our black pepper powder, and then we have some ambachur. Okay, and this is our real Sindhi jo tadko for our dal makhani. Not makhani, makhani dal. Excuse my language. Wow. अभी हमने इसमें डाल दिया, इसमें हल्का सा नमक भी डाल देते हैं, and then you have this beautiful this is like the best. It's the kiss on the dal, and this has a lot of flavor. What I would actually also do is add a little bit of ambachur on the top. Sometimes we also add a little chopped dhania if you wish. There are versions where they put tomatoes and all, but I don't think we need anything of this. असांजी माखनी दाल तैयार थी वही है, हलवो भी तैयार थी वो, हाणे छा हलता पूरी तलियो. So we're going to be dividing these into small, about 20 to 30 gram balls. Okay, it depends on exactly what size of puri you're looking for. Okay, so I'm just going to break these off right now. So the texture of the dough, as we discussed, okay, जो texture है dough का, वो soft नहीं रहता है. It's a little firm, but at the same time easy to work with. Okay, so we have our puris. Not too thin, not too thick. I've got a little extra black pepper in my puri. Okay. If you want to make them smaller, you roll them smaller. Sometimes to practice, I just use a cutter and I cut these into smaller ones. Let's roll out the last two ones. The important point is that here the oil has to be very, very hot, because you want that puri to go in. You have to press it. It kind of puffs up, and that's really good. That's exactly what we are looking for. Okay. अभी हमने इसको press down करी है. We want them to fluff up a little bit. Now remember, ये मैदे वाली नहीं है, ये actually आटे की पूरी है. So it does take, it won't pull out as much as your other puris, but they are very, very tasty. So now we have these really nice fluffy puris finally, which I've got. Turning them around, nice medium oil heat, and it's time to take these out. Perfecto. So our beautiful makhani dal is here. And it's time to plate this up. Wow, beautiful. So really nice, rich, classical dal. It's a piece of Sindhi history, I would say. Yeah, you're getting a fantastic. Wow, amazing. Beautiful. ये हमारी माखनी दाल ready हो गई है. And then next, of course, असांजो हलवो. Yes. Nice halwa. Beautiful saffron and Sooji ka halwa. Some lovely almonds, some cashew nuts. Beautiful. Perfect. Dal puri halwo ready. So remember, every Monday, every Tuesday, Sindhis love eating this. So do like, do share, do subscribe. Sabhi chao, Jhulelal.